To open a Bank of Baroda SME account, follow these steps. First, determine the type of account that suits your business needs, such as a current account, overdraft facility, or a loan. Then, gather the required documents, including your business registration documents, tax identification number, and identity proof of the business owners and authorized signatories. Next, visit the Bank of Baroda website or a nearby branch to obtain the account opening form. Fill the form accurately and attach the required documents. Ensure you have all the necessary information, such as the business address, and the names and addresses of the owners and authorized signatories. After completing the form, submit it to the bank along with the required documents and the initial deposit. The initial deposit amount may vary depending on the type of account you are opening. The bank will verify the documents and information provided, and once the verification is complete, your account will be opened. To manage your Bank of Baroda SME account effectively, consider using the bank's online banking services, which allow you to check your account balance, transfer funds, and pay bills from the comfort of your office. You can also use the mobile banking app to access your account on the go. In addition, take advantage of the bank's other services, such as cash management, trade finance, and loan facilities, to support the growth of your business. It is also essential to maintain a good credit history and ensure timely repayment of loans to avoid any negative impact on your business credit score. By following these steps and using the bank's services effectively, you can make the most of your Bank of Baroda SME account and support the growth and development of your business. Remember to always keep your account information and documents up to date, and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any fraudulent transactions.